How to fix too many friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix too many friends limit on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started. If you have hit the too many friends limit on Snapchat, that's because the platform limits the number of people that you can add as your friend. So to resolve that, open up Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, now go to your profile by tapping on the Bitmoji in the top left corner. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on My Friends. So from your friend list, all you have to do is start removing the people who are inactive or not close friends. Tap and hold on their name. And here tap on Manage Friendship. So from here tap on Remove Friend. The second option is to clear out unused friend requests. So for that you have to go to the Add Me section. So go back. From here tap on the add icon at the top right corner, and once you're here, navigate towards Add Me section, tap on View More, and from here you can decline friend requests from users that you don't want to add. And after that, you have to wait for the system to refresh. Snapchat might take a little time to update the friend count after you have removed the people. If you can still add, then you have to wait for an hour or so. Once you have cleared your space, now you should be able to add more friends. And in this way, you can fix too many friends limit on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.